Hi chaps, John here at Microaces and welcome to the new Microaces video studio. But more on that at a later date because today I wanted to talk to you about Christmas. The resemblance is uncanny. But in all seriousness, when you were a little kid, were you like me, getting extraordinarily excited about Christmas, particularly unwrapping presents? Apart from anything else, it was a time of just sort of almost sleepless nights with the anticipation of what on the Christmas list I would actually be getting, and whether it would be exactly what I wanted or a variation thereof, or something completely different that I wasn't expecting at all. My tastes as a child were pretty much what my tastes are now. I just wanted stuff to build, and so anything that required some time and some effort, and usually a whole load of paint and certainly a lot of glue, was my idea of the perfect present. So what we've tried to do with the new Microaces Secret Santa, as we're calling it, is to provide you with a Microaces kit, albeit you have to buy it, but we're not going to tell you what it is. We've actually developed a brand new kit. It's a model that we haven't got in our range at the moment. It sits squarely in the Aero series, which is the World War One aviation series, and it is an aircraft that's very well known, and the particular livery that we're doing the Secret Santa of is one of a very famous aircraft and pilot that participated in World War One. There'll be information in the box about that particular aircraft, and also the pilot that flew it, and also the livery is only ever going to be available as the 2023 Secret Santa. So you won't be able to get this otherwise. So there's an incentive there to purchase it. But we are not going to tell you what it is, and we are going to ask you not to open it until the 25th of December 2023. So this is basically what you'll be getting. We will wrap it, of course, so that you can't see what it is, and with a message on of do not open till Christmas Day. So all very exciting, and hopefully provide you with some of that or relive some of that excitement of anticipation of what could be in the box. So so there we go. We have as I said, we have a brand new kit. We're doing it as a Secret Santa. We came up with the idea last year, but we just did not have time to do it. So I've actually spent probably the last 6 months bit by bit piecing the aircraft together. It's already been built, it's been test flown, flies great, and we will also have that other livery ready. I've already done the other livery as well, so that if you miss the Secret Santa, or you decide that it's not worth taking the risk, then we will have something after. If suddenly you think, that was an aircraft that I would like to have had, at least we'll have it in another livery for you. Same aircraft, different livery. So there we go. I'm not going to wish you a very Merry Christmas at this point, because as I said, it's the beginning of October, and Christmas really only starts in December. Well, used to. No more. Anyway, cheers. This is tea in here, unfortunately. But yeah, go to the Microaces website and go and take a look at the Secret Santa. There's, as I said, there's not a lot to see on the page, but if you want that anticipation, then we would be privileged to build these kits for you and send them on. And I hope everyone plays the game, doesn't do a big reveal or anything like that prior to Christmas and spoil it for everyone. You shall be banished if you do. I don't know from where, but you will be banished. But it's all good fun, isn't it? It's all good fun. So here's to Christmas and the lead up to it. We're going to be selling this kit up to, it'll probably be what is now known as Cyber Monday. So we'll sort of Black Friday, Cyber Monday time will be when we will finish taking orders for this particular kit, and then we will crack on and get them all made and sent out before the big day. Anyway, thanks for listening. I hope this falls on the ears of those that are extremely interested in our kits, and I look forward to I probably will be wrapping these aircraft up and sending them off to you. So thanks very much. See you in the next one.